Hi, I'm Gabby and welcome back to TaylorToned YouTube channel. Today I have for you a 9-minute ab blast. This is a really good ab workout, super easy to follow along. There's going to be a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far you are into the workout, and I'll pop the name down below in the corner. If you've got any feedback or suggestions, just leave them down below in the comment section, and if you want more videos, head back to my homepage. There is so many on there: thigh workouts, booty workouts, arm workouts, and all completely equipment free and easy to follow along at home. Make sure you hit subscribe. Let's get straight into the workout. Okay, first thing you're going to come into is a dead bug. So you're going to lie yourself all the way down to the floor, bring the hands around your hips, stack one leg up into a tabletop, bring the other leg up into a tabletop. Now you're going to touch your inner thighs together and hold here. Now this is a really important one. You need to get the technique or you will hurt your lumbar spine. So you want to think right now, pull your belly button down to the spine. You want to imprint your spine firmly in towards the floor, into the mat, carpet, wherever you are, with a tiny miniature, literally 1 millimeter gap in your lumbar spine. Do not want to have your spine like a bridge or you will hurt your lumbar spine. Now you're going to slowly bring one toe, tap it down to the floor, lift it back up again. This should burn immediately. So all the way down, tap it and lift it back up again. Keep going. Squeeze one toe down, lift it all the way back up again. This is also great for pre and postnatal abdominal exercises. Squeeze all the way down. You're working on your transverse abs right now, that deep layer of abs. Think about your core. Squeeze all the way back up, lift. So you want to stack those legs in a tabletop. Every time the legs come back up, your knees are over the top of your hips. Tap down. Lift it back up again. As you bring the toes slowly to the floor, do not let your spine bend. If you take a look at my spine, it's firmly on the floor. Squeeze, lift all the way back up. Keeping those abs nice and tight here. You want to imagine you have that corset on. Keep going, squeeze all the way down, tap, lift it back up again. 2 more like this, all the way down. We're nearly there for this exercise. 1 more. Now lift up, you're going to hold in your tabletop position. If this is too much for you, keep doing that. If not, inhale, exhale, bring both the feet away and bring it back in. Keep going, inhale, exhale, pushing those palms down, keeping that corset super tight. Now you might want to give into temptation here. You might want to arch the spine. Don't. Keep pulling the navel down, pressing the rib cage together. Imagine you are knitting your rib cage together. Squeeze all the way out. Whew. Back in again. You've got this. We've got 4 more all the way out. The lower you go as well, the harder this is. 3 more here. Can you get on that diagonal? And back in again. You've got 2 more all the way out. Whew. Back in. This one you're going to hold it. Inhale. Exhale. Now press those legs out and hold here. You want to flex your feet. You're going to bend the knees, press the heels away. So a little tiny bend through the knees, massive press away. Now push the palms down, squeeze your navel towards your spine, close the ribs together. You've got this. Press something heavy away. We have another 20 more seconds here and this exercise is over and done with. Keep those legs in that diagonal, press your spine to the floor. I know. Oh, it is burning me too. Do not worry, we've got 10 seconds now. Keep pressing those heels away. 7, 6, 5, we've got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, well done, your legs a quick shake off. Then you're gonna bring one foot up to the ceiling. Other foot is then also going to go towards the ceiling. All we're going to do right now is press the palms down, try to send the heels to the ceiling and lower back down. So it's just like a little pelvic tuck. I can't really speak when I'm doing this one. So you're just going to lift all the way up. Now the less you move your feet, the more you're going to get into the lower abs, in towards those transverse abs. You've got this. Stick right with me. So you're tipping your hips up and away from the floor. So my bottom of my hips are coming off the floor. Try and stamp the heels on the ceiling. Now you really want to try and keep those heels nice and still. You're drawing a straight line up to the ceiling, back down again. Curling the hips off the floor. Keep on going. Inhale, exhale, stamp and lower. We've got it. Stamp up, lower back down. Nice deep breaths. We've got 4 more of these to go. 3 more, tipping those hips up. 2. Try to keep those heels in a straight line. 1 more. Now stamp, lift, lower, and then you're going to hold there. I want you to bring your feet a little bit out in front of yourself. Send the hands, interlace them, bring the hands behind the head. Now inhale, exhale, slowly lift for 2, and lower back down towards the floor. You've got it. Inhale, exhale, slowly lift up away from the floor, and lower back down. Keep breathing in, keep breathing. Exhale, squeeze up, lift, and lower back down. 3 more, and then you're going to hold this one. So go lift all the way up and lower back down. We've got 2 more. Crunch it up. You can do it. Peel your head, neck, shoulders off the floor and back down. This one you're going to hold it, chin to chest, and then you're going to lift up and hold. Now send your hands around the back of your legs. So hands around the back of the legs, tuck the chin into the chest. Now lift head, neck, shoulders 2 more inches away from the floor. I know you've got it. And breathe in, breathe out, exhale away. You're going to push 1 palm into the floor. You can do it. You're going to press that other palm into the floor. Now push, press, 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 push. Keep squeezing those palms down towards the floor. Inhale, exhale, push those palms down. Keep the head, neck, shoulders off. Can you get your shoulder blades further away from the floor? Let's burn those abs out. Get the waist you want. Give me 10 more seconds here. 9, 8, 7. We've got it. 6, 5, 4, 3, don't drop out. 2, 1. Well done. Give legs a quick shake off. You're going to take it into one more exercise, leg lowers. Now it's so easy to get this one wrong and hurt your lower spine. I want you to create 2 C's with your hands. So you're taking a little cup shaped position. You're going to scoop the hands around the lumbar spine. So you're working on those lower abs. You're going to bring one leg to the ceiling, other leg towards the ceiling. Now bend the knees if you've got tight hamstrings. If you can, extend the legs all the way up. Now do not let your spine come off the floor. Keep it imprinted. Inhale, exhale, lower those legs down. Lift all the way back up. Now if you can't get all the way down without letting your spine come off the floor, just bring it halfway and then back up again. If you can, get those legs all the way down and all the way back up again. Just as far as you can go until you feel it, until you can keep those abs controlled and not let the spine bend off. Slowly, all the way down. Slowly, lift it back up. Inhale, exhale. Bring the legs down. We've got this. All the way up. Keep on going. All the way down with those legs. All the way, squeeze, lift it back up. You've got 3 more of these to go. All the way down, lower those legs. If you can only go halfway, just go halfway. 2 more, all the way down with those legs. All the way, lift up, don't let the spine bend. It's burning me too. 1 more, all the way down with the legs. Now all the way, lift it back up and hold here. Keep your legs right up there. You're gonna do exactly what you did in the last exercise. Bring the hands underneath your thighs, chin towards your chest. Now lift all the way up and hold. Option 1 is here. Option 2, you want it harder, reach those hands away. Legs are gonna go for a change. Change, change. Switching the legs over and over and over and over. Give me 10, 9, 8, then you've got a breather. Don't drop out in 7, 6, 5 more switches. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Hands go back underneath those thighs. Now chin to your chest. Head, neck, shoulders lift even further up and away from the floor. Let's burn out those abdominals. You're going to send one leg away from yourself. Now we're going to go switch, 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 switch. If this is easy for you, you're thinking, Gab, this is my final 45 seconds, make it harder. We can. Send those hands away and get your shoulders further away from the floor. Inhale, exhale, head, neck, shoulder off the floor. Remember modification. You are here in that underhand grip. Now keep the head, neck, shoulders off. And don't forget to breathe. Don't hold the breath. Let's get those dream abdominals. We don't have long. 15 more seconds. And then the burn in that waist is over. Keep going. Give me 10, 9, 8, oh my gosh, 7, 6, switch legs, 5, 4, don't leave me now, 3, 2, 1. Oh, well done. Draw your knees all the way in towards the chest. Give legs a little hug and just rock side to side. Well done in your 9-minute ab burner. I hope you enjoyed that one. Drop me a comment down below and let me know exactly how you found it. If you want me to do anything else, also leave me a comment down there and head back to my homepage if you want to find more workouts, arm workouts, thigh workouts, booty workouts, all equipment free and easy to do at home. See you again next time. Bye!